conversation between two peoples about environment pollution. Hello Sultan, how are you?
Thanks. I am fine. How are you?
I am also fine. Where are you going?
I am going to the mayor for requesting him to take necessary steps against environment pollution.
Environment pollution has become a great problem in our life.
You were right. Though environment helps us to exist, we don't bother of it. We are polluting it indiscriminately.
People are not aware of it. They throw their waste here and there.
Mills and factories are polluting the environment through their toxic chemicals.
Too much vehicles are polluting the air by smoke and fumes.
Super tankers and human wastes are responsible for water pollution.
Farmers use fertilizers and pesticides for more production. But these chemicals get mixed with pond and river water.
Every day we use million tons of fuel for cooking and other purposes. These are also responsible for pollution.
But we cannot live without cooking food.
You were right. But we should be conscious of it. In most cases, we are not aware of the importance of environment.
So, what should we do?
We should take care of our environment. It's true that we cannot stop pollution for good, but we can lessen it.
I agree with you, my friend. I have to go now. Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.